sure you read all your instructions and be safe. And we're gonna move to the trailer and see about mounting it on the top. I haven't even gone up there to see what we're dealing with yet, but we'll figure it out and we'll be back with you. Okay, so we're in the trailer now. What I'm doing right now is I'm measuring center to center, and they are exactly 24 inches. So we'll see how the pre-drilled holes are on the panels, and we may have to drill a couple of holes to make the mounting line up with these little beams. These are steel beams, and this is like one sheet of aluminum on the top of the trailer. So we also have to figure out how to mark where they are and stuff like that. But now we're going to go back and measure the panels and see where the pre-drilled holes are on the panels to see if we have to drill any more holes, and then we'll see where we're at. See you over there. All right, we're back over here with the panels, and basically what we're checking to see if I'm going to have to drill any more holes. So that's about the center, and unfortunately the holes are 26 inches apart, so I am going to have to drill another hole, which I have to do very carefully because I don't want to go through and damage the panel, face of the panel, because it's pretty thin. It's thinner than it looks. So I'll get some steel to put in between there to protect that. So we'll get that marked up, and then we're going to have to drill some extra holes, and then we'll go from there. All right, so I got my drill and a marker and a tape, and I'm not sure why I'm really spinning it around other than I want to put the front on the factory holes. I don't know why, it really doesn't matter. I mean, it's gonna work either way. So I'm gonna mark them out. And we may end up time-lapsing this and making it go by faster, so whatever I'm saying might not really matter. So 24 inches from there. 24 inches from there. And I know I said steel, but I'm just going to use this scrap of wood to protect the panel, and this should go through pretty easy because it's aluminum. That was pretty easy. All right, that's those two. I'm gonna go ahead and get the brackets bolted on. That's the other thing. They do have a super nice mounting system. It's pretty cool. You really only go on one way. And if you notice, there's like a 1/2 inch elevated aspect to it. one down, one to go. By the way, I really don't even think I need 2 solar panels, but I'd rather just go ahead and put 2 of them on there. You don't have to worry about it. Now keep in mind that these things are going to be going down the highway at like, well, let's just say 70 miles an hour. Not sure how fast my 4-cylinder stick shift Nissan Frontier is going to pull the trailer, but at least 70, I'm sure. So this is obviously, it's no joke making sure these things are tight, and I'm not concerned about any of this stuff coming loose with the lock washers. Those things work pretty good. But you are talking about vibration at highway speed, so I'll check these periodically when I first get on the road with it and make sure everything's still tight and everything. And if not, I'll get some Loctite and put on there, stuff like that. Oh, sticks down the ratchet. All right, wish I'd have thought of that. All right, we're gonna take a little break, and then we'll see you up on top of the trailer, and see if we can hit the metal.
Yeah, that'd be.
It's gonna be tough because there's 2 holes about 3 inches apart, and the metal's only I think 1.5 inches. But so I'll basically hit I'll probably hit the metal, the steel with the front 2, and then we'll just go in with a sheet metal screw on the because it's just going to be going into the aluminum, and I'm pretty confident that's going to be fine. All right, see you up on the trailer.